Who was the ruler of Goa before it became a part of India? Answer C. Portuguese. In which year the Operation Vijay was conducted resulting in the annexation of Goa? Answer B. 1961. In which year Goa recognized as a state? Answer D. 1987. Which one is the largest city by area wise in Goa? Answer A. Vasco da Gama. Which one is the longest beach in Goa? Answer B. Kolva Beach. In which year the Portuguese moved the capital from Old Goa to Panjim? Answer C. 1843. Which one is the largest church in Goa? Answer B. Sikh Cathedral. Who is the first Chief Minister of Goa? Answer D. Dayanand Bandodkar. What is the literacy rate of Goa according to 2011 census? Answer C. 88.70. Which one is the highest peak in Goa? Answer A. Sonsoga. Total number of districts in Goa? Answer A. 2. In which year the Portuguese defeated the Bijapur Sultan Yusuf Adil Shah? Answer B. 1510. What was the name of the Indian Army operation conducted to release Goa from Portuguese rule? Answer B. Operation Vijay. Which one is the official language of Goa? Answer C. Konkani. The first Konkani film, Mogacho Anvaddo, was released in the year? Answer D. 1950. The Goa University was established in the year? Answer C. 1985. The National Center for Antarctic and Ocean Research is located in? Answer A. Vasco da Gama. The Goa Liberation Day is celebrated on? Answer D. 19 December. Which one is the headquarters of South Goa district? Answer B. Margao. In which year Goa captured and annexed by the Portuguese? Answer A. 1510. In which year the Operation Vijay was conducted, resulting in the annexation of Goa? Answer B. 1961. Identify the state that classified its country, Likwa, as Heritage Spirit of State on 17 March 2016. Answer A. Goa. Which is the Goa state animal? Answer A. Gaur Gaverodo in Konkani, Bos Gorus. Which is the Goa state tree? Answer C. Asna Terminalia elliptica. How long was the tenure of Lakshmikant Parsekar? Answer C. 2 years 136 days. Who is the first governor of Goa? Answer D. Major General K.S. Himmat Singh Ji. Who is the first Chief Justice of Goa? Answer C. M.H. Beg. In which year recognized as a state? Answer C. May 30, 1987. Who was the first CM of Goa? Answer C. Pratap Singh Rane. Who was the sixth CM of Goa? Answer C. Ravi S. Naik. Total number of districts in Goa? Answer C. 2. Which of the following is primary industry in Goa? Answer C. Tourism. Which sea is to the west of Goa? Answer D. Arabian. In which year Goa recognized as a state? Answer D. 1987. Which one is the largest city by area wise in Goa? Answer A. Vasco da Gama. Which one is the longest beach in Goa? Answer B. Kolva Beach. In which year the Portuguese moved the capital from Old Goa to Panjim? Answer C. 1843.